In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block calls on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then just search for a chat or for a conversation with some user you would like to block. Let it be that guy, and then all we have to do in order to block audio or video calls with that user is just stop right here at their name, then scroll down and tap at block right here. It says that blocked contacts will no longer be able to call you or send you messages. To block that user, just tap at block. If you would like to unblock some users but you don't remember their contact's name or their phone number, you can easily find all blocked users in one place. To do that, tap at settings, then privacy, and then blocked. That's where we can find all the contacts we have blocked on WhatsApp. All we have to do now in order to unblock them is just get into that contacts page, contacts info, scroll down and tap at unblock. That's how you can easily block and unblock calls from any user on WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.